Hey queens, hey princesses, it's your girl Queen Cierra, and I'm back at it again with another freaking video. And then today we're gonna beat my face. We're gonna kind of do the new trend, the latte makeup that I've been seeing all over TikTok. So right now I'm using Morphe Mocha, and I'm just going through my eyebrows and carving out these eyebrows. Not filling in my eyebrows. Like, I just feel like it was a little bit too dark, but also the shade darker than this was too dark, so I don't know. But right now I'm applying LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee as a eyeshadow primer. I'm using my bling brushes, which I love, and I'm gonna blend that out.
Close your eyes and felt yourself, not picture me around you. Boy, you know you fucking with me and say that you like the way sitting right in them jeans.
Now I'm taking the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remaster palette, and I'm just taking the bottom row and I'm just mixing those colors together. All the colors I just pointed to, I'm just mixing those colors together in my crease of my eye, and I'm just blending that color up, deepening that color more and more.
More than a crush, this shit right here is different. I feel a way when I see him, a tingling in between me. He on me tough when he pull up, sit on his face, and I pull up. Looking at me, but it's you. This ain't high school. Me and my crew, we can slide through. Give it to you whenever you want. Whenever you want. Baby, it's yours. Baby, it's your world. Ain't it? Baby, it's your world. Ain't it? Anywhere you wanna go. Oh no. Yeah. I know you want it, I can see you trying. Just keep on pushing, I'ma let you slide in. Just close your eyes and explore me, baby. I'm ready, come and get you some, get you some. Be on that bullshit, yeah. Bullshit, yeah.
Now I'm taking the smallest amount of black truffle and a majority of cocoa, and I'm just applying that to my outer V to elongate my eye. Do not mind me singing. I'm just deepening my crease and bringing more depth into my eye.
Hold on, trying to grow before you time. Learn to walk before you fly. You need to enjoy your life. So all I know, can I please get a Coke, no ice? Someone please turn up the light. Everything needs to be right. I just wanna close my eyes and dance to the music, no need to get high. Life is a journey, I just wanna enjoy the ride. What is the hurry? It's pretty early. It's okay, we'll take our time. The night is still young. The night is still young. The night is still young, yeah. So we. The night is still young. The night is still young. The night is still young. So we. You don't need to ask why. No alcohol for me, trust me, baby, yeah, that's just fine.
And now I'm just going between the same shades I've just been using this whole time, and I'm just deepening my eye, making that, just building up the eye intensity. That's all I'm doing right now.
I just wanna
Now I'm taking Demoral and Bubbly, and I'm just applying that all over my lid and in my inner corner to brighten up my lid and inner corner of my eye. And now I'm just buffing everything out, making sure nothing has any harsh lines. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I already primed my face. Now I'm just taking the NYX Radiant Glow foundation and my black opal foundation stick. Trying to color match, trying to see which color is perfect for me. I kind of did a mixture of both, but the NYX Born to Glow is a little bit too rich, so that's why I had to add the black opal for a more yellow undertone. And now I'm just buffing this out with my bling brushes in F1. So I ended up poking myself in the eye trying to wipe off the foundation because I felt like it was too red over there and I needed more yellow. So next time I would use a makeup wipe, but I didn't have one, so I just used a napkin. But yeah, I'm applying more of that stick foundation from Black Opal and on my neck using the bling brush in F1 to buff this all out. And I'm obsessed with this coverage on my skin. Like, look at my skin. I usually do not use brushes for my face because they're okay, but this brush really made my skin really flawless. And then taking my time this time and not rush, skin came out flawless, eyes came out flawless, everything came out amazing. So now I'm taking my Too Faced concealer, applying that underneath my eyes, winging it out more to brighten everything, and you know, applying that in my usual spots: my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and the middle of my forehead. And I'll use brushes for the whole thing. I did not pick up a sponge once, and I am obsessed with it. I'm also using my Black Opal foundation stick, but in a darker shade, Black Walnut, to contour my face as well. And let me tell you, amazing, perfect. So first, blend out your concealer and then blend out your contour. Oh, and I also took my NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Deep. I used that light concealer on the other side because it's a concealer and a contour. I used the concealer side. It's a very, 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 very light concealer shade for me, but ended up just putting it in my inner tear ducts to make sure my under eye is nice and bright, but not ghost looking. You know what I mean? My black girls, you know. And I just buffed everything out with the foundation brush and set it with my Fenty powder and honey.
Trying to grow before you time. Learn to walk before you fly. You need to enjoy your life. So all I know, can I please get a Coke, no ice? Someone please turn up the light. Everything needs to be right. I just wanna close my eyes and dance to the music, no need to get high. Life is a journey. I just wanna enjoy the ride. What is the hurry? It's pretty early. It's okay, we'll take our time. The night is still young. to walk before you fly. You need to enjoy your life. So all I know, gonna please get a Coke, no ice. Someone please turn off the light. Everything needs to be right. I just wanna close my eyes and dance to the music, no need to get high. Life is a journey, I just wanna enjoy the ride. What is the hurry? It's pretty early. It's okay, we'll take our time. The night is still young. The night is still young. The night is still young, yeah. So we. The night is still young. The night is still young. The night is still young. So
Now after I set my face with the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist, I'm going back into that palette. I'm taking all the 3 blushes and I'm just applying that to not the apples of my cheek but slightly back. And I'm applying that to my cheeks, mixing those colors together with my, I think this is the F3 brush from Bling Brushes.
enjoy the ride. What is the hurry? It's pretty early. It's okay, we'll take our time. The night is
And I already applied my lashes from Cierra Boutique and Smexy, and I tight and waterlined my eyes off camera. My lashes are currently 60% off. Go shop. The link will be in my description box below. QueenCierraBoutique.com.
we're just getting started, yeah. We're just getting started, yeah. Can't you see the night still? We gon' get wild and crazy. We're just getting started, yeah. We're just getting started, yeah. Can't you see the night still? We gon' get wild and crazy. The night is still young. The night is still young. The night is still young, yeah. So we. The night is still young. The night is still young. The night is still young. So we. How dare we sit quietly and watch the world pass us by? How dare we sit quietly and watch the world pass us by?
I'm just taking this brown lip liner from Ella Girl, and I'm using on top of that the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Kansas, and then I'm applying my Cierra Boutique lip gloss in this purple violet color, and it is in the color Violet.
He was tall with a slight tan, jeans stuffed with a couple band scars on his knuckles and tattoos of his homeland. He spoke with an accent so slow and southern, no lie. I've been envisioning positions on his nightstand. Kitty is sticky, got bitches better than Nikki B. And this fly as it's easy, making this spread like I'm Jeezy. My skinny's tighter than Weezy's, groupies and lilac.
And that's it. I hope you babes love this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms at QueenCierra_Slay and Cierra Boutique. I love you, Queen Cierra. I'm back, and I will see you next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
But it's you, this ain't high school. Me and my crew, we can slide through. Give it to you whenever you